If your business uses QR codes on menus, business cards, posters, or receipts, and they're plain black and white, you're missing a simple branding upgrade. Branded QR codes don't take more time. They don't add complexity, but they immediately make your business look more professional and intentional. In this video, I'll show you how to create branded QR codes using brandedqrcode.com. By the end, you'll have your first branded QR code ready, and you'll know how to recreate it for any business link in minutes. Let's get straight into it. Go to brandedqrcode.com. You have two options: create from scratch or design assistant. Go to the design assistant, upload your logo, and resize it. You'll then get 4 to 6 options. Pick the one you like and edit it to your liking. Pick your export size. Choose your pattern shape. Pick your corner style. Set your detail level. Adjust the QR code size. Then set your padding, border width, and border round. After that, choose your frame style, frame width, frame round, and your frame text and color. Once you're done with the design, choose what you want to link the QR code to. We'll link it to a URL. Enter the URL, download the QR code, and as you can see, it scans perfectly. Now let's create a plain QR code. Scroll up and click Remove Image, then Reset Style. Increase the detail level for better scannability. Pick your foreground color and background color. Then choose your pattern shape, corner style, and frame style. Download it and scan it. There you go.